Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade CFD on Oanda. Contract for Difference or CFD is a popular financial instrument that allows traders to speculate on the price movements of various assets without actually owning them. Oanda is a well-established online trading platform that offers CFD trading on a wide range of markets including forex, indices, commodities, and more. To get started, you need to open a trading account with Oanda. This can be done by visiting their website and filling out the registration form. Once your account is approved, you can log in to the Oanda trading platform and start exploring the various markets and instruments available. The first step in trading CFD on Oanda is to choose the market you want to trade. Oanda offers a wide range of markets including major and minor forex pairs, indices such as the Dow Jones and S&P 500, commodities like gold and oil, and more. You can browse through the available markets and select the one that interests you the most. Once you have selected the market, you need to decide on the type of trade you want to place. You can choose to buy or sell a CFD, depending on whether you think the price of the underlying asset will go up or down. For example, if you think the price of gold will increase, you can buy a gold CFD. If you think the price of gold will decrease, you can sell a gold CFD. The next step is to set the trade parameters. This includes setting the trade size, stop loss, and take profit levels. The trade size determines the amount of money you are willing to risk on the trade. The stop loss is the price level at which the trade will be automatically closed if the market moves against you. The take profit is the price level at which the trade will be automatically closed if the market moves in your favor. It is also important to understand the concept of leverage when trading CFD on Oanda. Leverage allows you to trade with a larger amount of money than you have in your account. For example, if you have $1,000 in your account and you use a leverage of 10, you can trade with $10,000. However, leverage can also increase your losses, so it is essential to use it wisely. To place a trade, simply click on the buy or sell button and confirm the trade parameters. You can also set pending orders, which allow you to specify a price level at which the trade will be executed. For example, you can set a pending order to buy a CFD when the price reaches a certain level. Finally, it is essential to monitor your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. You can use various technical and fundamental analysis tools to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. It is also important to set realistic goals and risk management strategies to avoid significant losses. In conclusion, trading CFD on Oanda can be a rewarding experience if you have the right knowledge and skills. By following these steps and using the various tools and resources available on the Oanda platform, you can start trading CFD with confidence. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.